Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I wanted to share what I got my toddler for his Easter basket. I previously shared what I got for our younger son. He is almost one, about a week ago. So if you want to check that out, I will link it down below. So today I figured I would share some ideas for the toddler age range, specifically probably around 3 or 4. Our son is 4, so these are things that he is interested in, he asks for, and that I thought I'd get him this year. So I just figured I would share more ideas in case you are starting your shopping or you're just kind of stumped on what to get your child. I personally don't like to get lots of candy or sweets or anything like that. I like to get more crafts or activities or a few little toys and more hands-on items just because I know they'll be used, and I don't like to go overboard with the sweets. So that is what I'm going to share today. And like I said, I will link down my other video along with last year's Easter video. So our son was 3 at the time. And then I'll leave our blog, our Instagram, different ways to connect, as well as any items that I am able to link. So if you are curious or want to check out any of those, they will all be in the description box. But this is my son's Easter basket. Like I said, he is almost 4.5. He'll be 4.5 this summer. So definitely only a couple like sweet treat items, and then lots of activities and things that he likes. So I mentioned in my last video, I picked up these baskets from Home Goods around 4 years ago. So I don't even really know what they have at this point, but I really like them. They're really sturdy, they're easy to store, and I just think they're really cute. So I do have grass on the bottom to kind of prop and lift things up. And then I always have a couple things outside the basket. So I will share those first, and then I'll go through his basket in no particular order. So I mentioned in my previous video that every year we do swimsuits for Easter. It's something my husband did growing up, one of their traditions, just to get a new suit for the season. So this swimsuit matches our younger son. Very affordable. It's the Cat and Jack from Target. So these trunks were 10 and then the shirt was 12, but this will be for the whole season. He already has goggles and a hat and all of that, so I didn't need to do any of those things. But along with the swimsuit, I always gift new sunscreen. So he just has the HEB kids sunscreen, very simple, very easy. But I do like to get new swimsuits for everyone and then sunscreen for the season, just so it's not expired, it's fresh, and we have it for the upcoming months. So that will be outside his basket, along with a Lego kit. He loves Legos. We have a million Legos in his room. That is the Lego area, since we do have a baby. But I figured I'd get him a more fun Lego set of something that he's into and that he likes. So he really loves Spidey and His Amazing Friends. So I just wanted to do something different and unique. I think this was around $20 maybe. But he's pretty much done all of their creator kits, which I love. So I really wanted to find something that was a reasonable price point that he hasn't done. We're kind of now in the creator kits that are around the like $40+ range. And I just didn't want to spend that much for the Easter basket. So he'll be getting this. And then he'll be getting just some more kinetic sand. He loves kinetic sand, loves Play-Doh, really anything sensory. And this is just always fun to throw in any type of stocking, basket, birthday gift, anything like that. So he'll be getting that. And then in his basket, in no particular order, in the back, he has some water balloons. He loves water balloons. He loves filling them up, putting them on the trampoline, just throwing them against the house. So I got him some more water balloons. I got him a board game. We do not have the game Candyland. So this was about like $6 on Amazon. For some reason it was discounted. So I went ahead and picked this up. I do have a blog post on my favorite kids like board games or games that you can play as a family. So I will link that post down below, but we are very, very big into games. We love playing as a family. It's something we like to do when our younger son goes to bed. So just wanted to pick up a new game. And then I actually bought a set of these mosaic tiles. So they come with little sticky tiles that you fill in on the colors. And it came with 6. However, when we had some kids over at our house one weekend, I went ahead and opened it up and then let them do, there were 3 of them, so let them do the other 3. So I just put 3 of them in his basket. He really likes them. They're really good for motor skills. They're mess-free. They take a good chunk of time, and this would probably be something that you could also take in the car. So this is one of my favorite craft items for his age, and he really likes it. I did also write a post on my favorite like crafts and activities for toddlers, so I will link that as well as the games below. But he'll be getting 3 of those. He'll also be getting an Easter book. I mentioned in my previous video that I like to give a new book for every season, and then every holiday I pull out a basket of those holiday books just to read through and make it feel special and different. So he has Happy Easter Pout Pout Fish. The Pout Pout Fish is one of our family favorites. I feel like it's a classic. It's a really cute kids book. So he'll be getting that. Then a couple little things. He'll be getting this Super Mario little character builder. He's kind of into Mario right now from a Lego set that he had. So one of those, this little Hot Wheels mystery. He does like Hot Wheels. He kind of plays with it on and off, so I don't want to get anything too bulky Hot Wheel related, but he's getting one of those. He's getting some PJ Masks Band-Aids. We love Band-Aids, they fix everything, and so we fly through Band-Aids, and anything with characters he loves. This is what we were for Halloween, so PJ Masks is another hit. He'll be getting some silly string. He always talks about this when we go shopping, that wanting it, so I just thought it'd be really fun to throw in the basket. He can do it outside. His favorite color is green, so I threw that in. I threw in a little sensory like pop socket thing. He really likes to kind of fidget and mess with things, so I thought that would be fun. And then the last couple items, he's getting this little Play-Doh kit. I mentioned before that he likes really sensory things and Play-Doh, sand, all of that. So these are really affordable, the little ones. I wanna say they're like $6, but I will link this one specifically down below, but he will be getting that. And then he'll just be getting another Paw Patrol mini car. He has like a big Paw Patrol cruiser, and he has the little cars to him, so I wanted to get him a car that he does not have. And then the last few items are just little candies. So he has a Spider-Man Pez, he has a Kinder Egg, he loves Kinder Eggs, he thinks they're so fun, and Reese's, and then mini M&Ms. So he is allowed candy. He doesn't eat it often, but I mean, he's a kid, so of course he loves it. And then I just have the grass at the bottom. So I feel like he will be very excited about. I try to be as practical as I can, but also throw in those fun things that I know that he wants and that he's gonna be really excited about. So he will definitely have a good Easter, but just wanted to give you some more ideas. I know people are starting to think about it and starting to shop and kind of have that on their mind. So hopefully this was helpful. Like I said, anything I can, I will link down below. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.